I know I'm a minute late today. I apologize. But good morning. Good morning, kings and queens. How we feeling? How we doing? Good morning, Danielle. Welcome in, queen. How are you doing? How are you doing, Danny? Hope you're feeling awesome. Hope you're doing great. Just getting everything set up here. See if we can make some money today. I'm really feeling like yesterday, it wasn't our best display. Kind of came in a little early. Was a little eager to find the sells. They did come in and sell, obviously, after we got that aggressive pushing, but yeah, we were a little early with them. Not be early again today. What up, Elijah? Good morning, King. Good morning, Eli. What are we looking for? Let's see what we got here. We pushed up to the 24,970s. Sold off yesterday into the 700s. Now we're just kind of holding out. Good morning, Pat. What's up, King? Let's go. How we feeling, y'all? Ready to pass these combines today. Really, ideally need to get them passed so that we can not have any restriction for October. Good morning, Paul. Welcome in, Paul. Good morning, King. Buys, yeah. Buys, my boy thinks. After pushing through this previous spot. Yeah, I mean, I can definitely see buys holding. I really could. Previous day high, previous day low. We might go sweep PDL, though, since that's that Asia and the previous and Friday's week high. I don't know. A couple options. Good, bro. What about you? How is everyone? Feeling buys. I like that, Pat. So is Eli. I'm feeling good. I'm feeling really refreshed. Feeling excited. We have decent. I got to be a little bit more patient today. We got to really pass these accounts. Because if I can pass them today, then I won't be restricted for October. Where we have look for the limit for the XFAs. Good morning, Matthew. Welcome in, King. There he is. Amen. Good morning. Good morning. Welcome in, winners. Let's go. Let's go. How we feeling on this Tuesday? JOLTS is today at 10 o'clock, so we don't want to rush into anything. With the JOLTS report, starting to find some sell side here on the opening prints. Opening print candle immediately was a little doji. And then we found some sells into potentially London low. Looks like we're coming for it down to the 750s. Seller's zone today. Could see price move down towards the 700s. I like that. Couple different options. Couple different options that I'm seeing. Overall, still kind of hard to fade the longs until we get, I think, below the 700s. I'd start to feel pretty bearish, but still, it's kind of hard to fade these longs right now for me. Yesterday, you saw what happened when I tried fading the longs. Oh, the screen's all bright. Ah, don't do that. Finding some selling, getting towards this London low already. Already, gang. Pulling into the previous spot. I mean, our PDL for the day, for previous day low, if we count Asia, is down in the 720s. We sweep that. The 700 seems fair. It's right now turning at the London low. I wouldn't imagine we find a perfect double bottom here, but we'll see. Might be looking to find some shorts early. Might be looking to find some shorts early. Opening print candle. Mad Max, welcome in, King. TLR, good morning, my people. I love it. We look for BBC or BBW. I'm thinking BB. Big Blacks. I'm thinking the BBCs, my boy. I'm thinking the Big Blacks. I don't think it's going to be early. I think we're going to... I want to try to still get a fill back around the WAP right now. But I'm still thinking we find some sells. Obviously, we have JOLTS here at 10. I'm not looking to be too too eager. Big blacks, no wicks. No wicks. You know it, P. You know it, P. Gonna wait until 9. Yeah, I agree, Matthew. That's the safest thing. We have JOLTS report coming out at 10 or 9 o'clock if Central Standard, whatever you're looking at. I don't trade CT, but I'm an Eastern Standard Time, my boy. Took a quick short from the EMA. Good start to my TPT Pro account. Small wins today. Come on, Danny. Let's go. Queen. Yes. Small wins. Nothing crazy. Nothing wild today. I'm going to short this EMA touch for one little scalp or Rooney and cheese if we can get a fill. Looking for a fill around the 86s right now for the sell side. We kind of have a little double bottom at the London low right now, but I don't really think it's too scary. Definitely W. Danny. Good job, Pat. Showing love. Saucy. There he is. Good morning, King. Our moderator. I want 800s. You want the 800 entry? I like that. That seems definitely safer, Amin. Definitely safer entry there. We're getting close to our 15-minute range, I think. I don't know if we get into the 8s. I think the safest maybe would be like this opening print low. I mean, 8s would be nice around VWAP for sure. Currently getting rejected at around our entry. Of course, we couldn't get a fill, though. You know what I mean? Of course, I wouldn't get a fill. Gosh. Premium for sell side is the 800. Nice, Pat. That's lining up with Amin's level. 775 holds now. We'll see more down. You still divorced this morning? Always. I divorced my bias yesterday. Stream sniping. Yeah, mad. Literally by a half a point. Otherwise, we'd be up 30 points right now. Missed by a half a point. Otherwise, we'd be up 30 points right now. But lots of opportunity, and we're going to do what we can. Be calm, be collected, be patient today. We're going to get paid. Did that sweep the London low? That swept the London low, so I'm not going to have the sell order on anymore. Be a little bit more patient. We just got a sweep of the London low. I still think we have a lot of downside. I think previous day low into the 720s, maybe even the 700s is a possibility. But I want to get a decent fill at our shorts. I don't want to just join the sell side. What y'all have for din last night? Saucy with the Q's. I bet y'all could guess what I had. The old normal for me, personally. Had a couple burritos. Very, very satisfying. 750 hit without me. I know, I mean, it's tough, brother. Getting me left behind. I was so close to getting filled on this pullback at the 85, then order at the 87s. Fried fish and rice. Let's go, Pat. A little fried fish. Never hurt nobody. A little fried haddock. Carne asada, fries, and quesadilla. Carne asada, Mad Max. Yummy. Good man. Pancakes. Matthew with a breakfast in the dinner. I love a little breakfast for dinner, sir. Yes, sir. Some eggs, some sausage, little home fries. Been craving pancakes, LOL. Me too, Pat. I actually just bought a box of protein pancake powder. Make some little protein breakfast sandwiches. A little sausage in there, a little egg, a little protein pancakes, a little protein, little sandwiches. A little McGriddle with some protein, a little McProtein griddle. Pancakes would flip me upside down right now. You know what I'm saying? I'm going to get it flipped upside down too because we were a half a point from being up 40 points right now, and that feels a little bad. Half a point from being halfway to passing these accounts. But you know what that means? That the market's giving. We're moving decently. We have JOLTS coming in here at 10. We're touching into a big level here at these 50s where it's going to be interesting to see the reaction. Definitely a demand zone. So where we pushed out of previously off of the overnight buying the other day. Bump, 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 bump. Let's see if we have anything going on here that we can spot. Maybe something like that. I don't know. Nothing crazy yet. Excuse me. Pulling back into the EMA right now. Our first 15 minutes is getting closer. Market's only been open for 10. Let's be patient. We need 2 subs for 800. Come on. Yeah, we got teased yesterday. We were at same thing, 898, and then someone unsubbed after watching the the blow up that we had yesterday where we blew the accounts. So we don't want those type of people anyway. We want people that understand trading is not about being correct every day. So come on, y'all. If y'all have not subbed yet, subscribe. Get to this family 800. Let's go. Weirdo for sure, Mad Max. No doubt about it. Being weird. Pushing back into London low right now at the EMA. Let's see the reaction. Market's only been open for 11 minutes. No reason to rush. Get our box ready. Opening print candle is a very strange candle. A little doji. Also creating the top of the range. So sellers are showing a little bit more aggression out of the open this morning. We have news coming out in about 19 minutes. Let's see what we can do. Let's see what we can do, though. I like the sells. I really do. I think if we find some pressure through... I think if we find some pressure back in around... If we can get a fill, maybe... I guess maybe the VWAPs. I'm not sure. It's a little tricky right now. Tuesday blessings, family. Hell yeah, Riazil. Always blessings, king. Retest on the 800 or break 850 down. Then retest and take sells. I like that, Amy. I would definitely be taking a short at 800 if we get there right now. 100% we'll be trying a short at the 800 if we get there, even though we did just sweep London low and we're kind of tapping into a buy zone, so it's a little tricky. We're tapping into an overall demand zone. If you look at the hourly chart, we pushed through this 40s price and now we're kind of tapping into it after sweeping London low. So there's a couple things that make me like a little hesitant with just smacking a short, but we'll see. Nassim, how do I fix my EMA if it's glitched on Topstep? Maybe just try like removing it like this and turning it back on, or just maybe take it off completely with the X, add it back on, or maybe zoom out like this. Nassim, sometimes you have to like zoom out to fix VWAP and stuff. Try those. Hopefully that works, King. Boys and girls, the king has arrived. King Caesar. Give that man the crown. Let's go. I'm waiting on news. Good discipline there, Pat. No reason to rush. We got JOLTS report coming out in 17 minutes. Currently holding the bottom of the range so far. First 15 minutes are almost in. NASDAQ looking for yesterday's low. See, Amy, and I agree. I agree. The 724s is the target. Maybe even the 700s. It's kind of where I'm looking. That's kind of the target I am spotting right now. We also have an overnight high unswept, so interessante. Dude. How we doing, Caesar? What we looking at, King? Finding some buys right now. Like I said, we tapped into that zone, kind of sweeping the overnight low, the London low. Right now, buys are kind of stepping up a little bit, getting above the 15% of the range. It's kind of a little hard to short 800s right off the rip just because of the opening print candle was super weird. But we're going to see. We're going to see. JOLTS is coming out in 16 minutes. All higher time frames are bearish, but something is telling me buys. Pat, I have the same little devil on my shoulder, buddy. Telling me the same things. And I don't necessarily agree that I mean, technically the downtrend is down on the hourly, but if you think about where we're coming into as a zone, this zone has been pretty reactant. Big moves coming into these 40s, so it's not crazy to say that we could find some buys. Okay, well, here we go into the 800s. Here we go into the 800s, tapping into the VWAP now. Getting near the top of the 15-minute range this time. Yo, there he is. Afternoon for the King Man Maxi. What's up, brother? Happy you're here, man. Stoked to be stopping in with the family. Random fun fact. If you were to lay on your entire circulatory system, being veins, arteries, and capillaries, they would stretch over 60,000 miles, enough to go around the world 2.5 times. Saucy, keeping us entertained this morning. Thank you, sir. It is actually wild that exists in our souls. Marv, what up, brother? Welcome in, King. Let's make some money, guys. Let's go, Max. I'm feeling the same way. Let's make some money. Maximilian. Yo, how's that live? How's the live account, Maxi? How's that been treating you, King? Saucy, thanks for that. Well, no doubt about it. Need a little random fun fact on a Tuesday when we're trying to find some bids. Lots of selling pressure at the VWAP. Kind of expected to see there. A lot of sell volume, but price couldn't really reject off the VWAP too much. That kind of makes me honestly pretty bullish. A lot of sell volume. Price pulled in off of a medium buy, and we haven't been able to push through the VWAP. We'll be patient. Have not touched it yet. Been having TPT daily payouts. Taking small size. Like a king. Keeping the bills paid. That's it, brother. We're paid to make more than we lose. That's it. Haven't even touched the live. You're crazy. Respectable, king. I have something on me that can wrap around the earth also. 2.5 times, right, Caesar? You got that boy strapped. Keeping the build. Autism at its finest. No doubt. We all got it. Trading micros now, though, for my mental. I like that, Marvin. That's that patience, king. No reason to rush. I'm feeling a little bit bullish after that giant sell volume candle and prices struggling to push lower. I don't love having to put a buy order below the VWAP. It's not my favorite entry ever. But I kind of want to try a long or back around the 50% of the range, around the 77s maybe. Again, a lot of sell volume coming into the VWAP, and yet price hasn't been able to really move off of it. It's kind of a little bit interesting for me. Trading micros now, though, for my mental. Patience for real. Yes, sir, Riazil. Got to be patient today. Yesterday I was a little too eager to get in a trade, so you free tonight. Hey, yo, that boy. That man's, yeah, pulling into the EMA. Let's see if we can get through this VWAP. The longs are looking decent, honestly. Tapping into a higher time frame buy zone. Starting to get some wicks. Also, we already swept London low here on a pretty stagnant price action, so I feel like we can go get overnight highs now. Let's just be patient. We got news coming out in 12 minutes. Our first 15 minutes are officially in now with the close of that candle. So we're trying to threaten the top of the 15. Hanging out the VWAP right here. I'm kind of feeling bullish. Feeling a bit bullish here, honestly. Since we already tapped into that hourly demand. Yo, yesterday we had like 18 likes. We didn't even get 20 yesterday. So do me a favor, y'all. Could we just get 20 likes today? There's already 40 people watching. If 1 out of every 2 of y'all hit that thumbs up, we can smash that goal. Oh, yo, check this out, guys, by the way. My grandfather, I went to his 88th birthday. He gave me this ring. Oh, my God. How much it just sentimentally means to me. And just, I love it. Means the most. It looks amazing. Drop the likes. Come on, Patty. At least take me out to Din Din first. No doubt. It's super nice. Yeah, he really hooked me up. So, yeah, I'm gonna be wearing that while I'm trading. Just feeling nice, feeling clean. And it's like it's from him, like 88 years old, just sharing with me, and he's yeah, big person in my life. So that meant a lot. It really was a big moment for me. My grandma turns 80 next Saturday. Hey, let's go, man. Give her a hug. Tell her you love her. Make her some food. We're gonna get you an NQ one for the other hand. That would be clean. A little NQ ring. Should we get some NQ? That'd be amazing, Patty. Family is everything. Truly, Danny. Family is everything. That's why we're trading, right? We're trading for them. We're trading for freedom so we can free the family. It's exactly why we do this. We show up, try to make money. We deal with all the stress the NASDAQ gives us for our family. Right now, we're pushing off the VWAP there. So we did start to find some sells. Got into the 50%. I kind of wanted to take a long here at the 50, but it's just not exactly my favorite setup. Like I said, I don't like putting long orders just below VWAP like that. Let's see what we get here. News is still coming out in 10 minutes. Pretty tight range so far. About 70 points for our first 15-minute range, so nothing too wild. If we continue to wick and hold it maybe at this 50%, I could anticipate some buy side since we were trying to hold this London low, but it's risky. It's a risky trade. I don't like that we just rejected the VWAP. I think a safe try could be trying down around these prices, but it also feels kind of bad. It also feels kind of bad. You know what I mean? I'm going to try it. I'm risking 300 bucks. One of our first tries here. Buying the previous London low. We already pushed off of it and into the VWAP there. I'm going to try to see if we can get a hold here at the bottom of this range. 15 points. Risking 300 bucks. Nothing crazy. Let's run a poll for a buy and sell before news and run 5 contracts before it hits. W risk management. I love it. That could be fun, Marv. A little gamble. What are we feeling as a squad here, as a family? What are we thinking, longs or sells? Just curiosity. I don't like that we're rejecting the VWAP here. I'm trying to buy previous London low right now and in the bottom of the range, hoping to find some support, but we'll see. Sells, buys, range, sells. So I'm getting 2 sells and a range and a buy. I don't know, man. Kind of still too early to tell. It is pretty early. Looking to buy at the 700s. Okay, Matthew. All right, we're officially in this. Wanting to see some reaction here from this London low spot. Want to see some buying come up into this price, push us back in. Again, not my favorite setup, but we're definitely enough to risk 15 points for me here. No bias, just acting as she knows, as she shows. That's it, Danny. We don't predict, we react. I'm not upset with the decreased selling volume into our range. I think we have a chance to find some support here. Again, this was just absolutely worth the 15 points. Jolts in 8 minutes. Let's see what we get. Waiting for this candle to tell me. I like it, newbie. Still learning. Still leaning buy side. We react. We don't predict. Buy back to 800. Break, but now only see sells. Now only see sells. I agree, Amy. We did reject the VWAP, but I'm kind of anticipating a potential hold here. We already swept London low, so I want to see if they can continue to find some support. If we get back above this 50%, I'd like it even more. I want to see some buys really respond here. Want to see the buys really respond here. We got to get through this price. Don't want to get stuck through this EMA. Overall, lower lows and lower highs. Maybe scalps on longs. All right, Marv. I like that. Overall, lower lows and lower highs. We got jolts coming out in 7 minutes. We don't want to get compressed through this EMA. We really want to try to see if the buyers can get up and through this 50%. It's going to be our next obvious obstacle. Otherwise, these 15 points, well, they ain't going to be for us. Good morning, Magic. Welcome in, King. Happy you're back. Let's see what we can do today. Want to find some support here. Not really liking the rejection off that EMA. Was hoping to see a little bit more of a continuation play off of that. Still worth the 15 points for me. If I wanted to be even safer, to be honest with you guys, I would put this on the just outside of the 15-minute range. So risking a little bit more, but I don't know. Don't know if I really want to give it that last little bit. We got jolts coming out here. Whoa. We were the liquidity. Look at that candle. Look at that candle. Whoa. Whoa. Where'd that push into the 730s? That means that the overnight low is still the probable hunt. Man, what a sweep. Big sell volume candle there. Sweeping the lows. One of the biggest sell volume candles of the day, actually. Look at the volume there. Holy sell volume. That was almost more than this first candle right now. Guys, we love this. Volume's picking up right now. Ginormous selling on that candle. Continuation through the bottom of the 15-minute range. Trying into the 700s now. Was that previous day low? Officially just tapped into the previous day low now with that volume. If we continue to base and hold here, and with all that pressure we can't find lower, I'm switching over to buys. And you guys are going to hate it, but I got to try. Got filled and stopped out immediately. Wow. Sorry, Magic. I'm still short from the 794s. Let's go, Maxi. I'm out. Please go back to retest the 750s now. 750s, huh? So you still want to see the downside, Amy? Man, that was so much selling volume, though. Great fill, Max. No doubt about it, King. Great trading. We get another opportunity, though, Magic. No worries. We get another opportunity. I think I have to try to long this, you guys, for all the reasons. Yeah, I am. It's going to be worth another 15 points for me. That was so much buy volume. Yeah, pretty much top tick. Nice job, Maxi. So much buy volume, and price could not break lower or sell volume, and now we're trying to hold this again. Come on, Nazi. Of course, I put my buy order in. The next candle strong. So, guys, the reason we're looking for the longs here now is we swept previous day low. We had the most sell volume that we've seen all day, and price couldn't move deeper. So that to me is very bullish. That to me is very bullish. $10 a.m. USD JOLTS openings. Yes, Angel, I appreciate the insight. It's coming out in 4 minutes. Let's be patient, see what we can do. Looking to see if we can still try to get a fill down at the bottom of their 15-minute range. Not the safest, but after that, so much selling volume and price couldn't keep selling. That to me is very bullish. There's a lot of orders being executed, like so many orders being executed, and yet price couldn't find exits. So, come on, NASDAQ, come give me an entry. Push off that EMA. Come give me a taparoonie and cheese. Come give me a little taparoonie and cheese. Looking for a fill at the 45s. Amy, we got to that 50, so if you could get your short, but I don't really like shorts right now. I just don't after that selling pressure, and then price couldn't go lower. But, excuse me. Oh, I love it. We get left in the dirt, and this thing is just soaring away from us. My word. Pulling back to the 50%. Still searching for a fill here, you guys. It's probably going to update a little higher into like this range for me now. Decompressed buying. Top and bottom ticked it perfectly. Wow. Maxi, that's what you do, King. Come on. That is what we do. Buying JOLTS comes out in a minute and a half. Hoping to see if we can get a fill before we get this push. Still rejecting the 50% slightly here. But like I said, with that much selling volume and price unable to move through the 15-minute range and immediately buying back is very bullish for me. Happy I'm out. Yeah, you gots to be. Gots to be. Especially after sniping your entries as perfect as you did. 600 by 5. Daily payout locked in. Daily payout is king status, Maxi. Let's go, brother, man. Yeah, this NASDAQ is just unreal. Just blindly leaving without us. My word. We're buying any pullback. TPT is the GOAT. That's actually true. I really need to start trying them out. All the way back into the 800s now. Just incredible strength. Like I said, you guys, man, why did I hesitate on that buy order by a second? When you get that much buying volume or selling volume against you, like this selling tried to push through this range, this bottom of the 15-minute range with more volume than we've seen all day, and it could not get through, right? Big candle gets through, immediately the candle rejects and holds into the 15-minute range. That is a buy signal. That is a buy signal. So much and so that I'm struggling to even get a fill right now. There's JOLTS coming in. Finding some more pressure through the VWAP. We're looking to get a fill at the 50% of the range right now. It's not my favorite entry. Decompressed buying. That 80% profit split is not great though. That's fair, but daily payouts, it's all right. You will, bro. Go all in. I'll be there one day. Never look back. Go all in. Oh, he's saying the words. Get it, Max? Because that's what I need to do, and I'm just a little terrified to do it. Just a little bit, I'll be honest. Getting back up to the VWAP here at the 800s, finding a little bit of rejection from the sellers. Still looking for a fill in around the 60s right now, just below the 15% of the range, and a little bit believe. I don't mean full port tie. No. I know what you mean, King, and that's what I'm saying. Like all in would be for me no longer working for somebody else and investing more into this channel for you guys and investing more into like trading. Going all in that way is what I'm referring to, but I'm also hesitant to do it, even though I have a lot of reasons to. But let's see what we can do here. I wouldn't mind an EMA tap into the 50% as well. It's not my favorite entry. But I'm definitely eager to get in with these longs. I feel you. It's scary. It is, King. It is. Finding some suppression here at the top of the EMA. I mean, at the bottom of the VWAP. Right below the 800s. The buying volume since that bottom. My word. We would have just passed our accounts if we literally, like, I got to not hesitate on those. That was a buy signal. And now look at this V pattern that we're forming. Just strength. I don't like this overbought action, but man. You need to go all in, Ty. Pat, are you telling me? Never had to pay out and I'm all in. How? How do I walk away from a consistent income, safety, structure, and then just be sweating every day? Dude, maybe I will make a video on how I trade soon. Maxi, I think that'd be awesome. I think you could help a lot of people with that, man. I think that could be very valuable for a lot of people, man. Look at this. Buying pressure off of this one ginormous sell volume candle. And then we just completely invert and head the other way. It's the fear. It's not real. Pat, you're speaking facts, King. You're speaking the truth. Into the 808s, threatening the top of the 15-minute range here. Let's see the reaction. Man, why did we miss our fills? There's a sweep at the top of the 15-minute range. We now have a new high of the range, pushing past the opening print candle as well. Excuse me. Finding a little bit of selling now. Just enough to keep the orders through the top of the range. Some sellers obviously had their stops here, so now we're getting those filled. Excessive buying since that bottom. Just blind buying since that bottom. See if we notice anything here that we can work with. Yeah, so it does kind of line up with our entry. So anywhere tapping back into the other side of this trend line, slash 50% of the range, we're looking for a fill. We're looking for a long fill. We swept the top of the range. We swept the bottom of the range. Tapping back into the VWAP here. I guess I wouldn't really want to see VWAP get hit too hard, realistically. Looking for a fill still. Holding the VWAP right now. Tapping into the EMA. There's one.
Order filled.
We just got tapped in there. Let's see if we can get some hold. Risking our normal 15 points. Want to see the buying that brought us here to be somewhat supported. Want to see some more strength out of them. I think this was the shorts getting their fills back, but I want to see a reaction from our friends. I want to see a reaction from our white candle friends. Get back to that EMA hold. Again, lots of pressure to the downside. and yet price is maintaining. Also a bullish signal. Big ass range. Yes, Jay. It is ranging. Nice reaction. Let's see if that can hold through that wick. Giant sell volume candle again. Again with a lot of pressure to the downside. So let's see if we can get the shorts to get suppressed, as in the longs to hold. Man.
Order filled.
No, sir. No, sir. Order fill was ditto at exact same time. Looking at the 1 hour, you might be but early, but I hope not. Hey, maybe I shorted and TP near your entry. Matt Marv, nice exit then. Nice trading. I don't know. We swept through the both ranges now. This is my last attempt at these longs, I think. London low. Really interesting price action. We swept through both sides. So now the top of the range and the bottom have been swept. We couldn't hold VWAP. Found some more suppression down below. Lots of selling volume again, trying to keep us through that level. Buys are starting to try to respond. Dun, 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 dun. How awful. I think I might go for a short once I hit VWAP. Not bad. That's not a bad idea. Magic. Back to the VWAP would be interesting. I don't like the way we're very rangy. You were right, Jay. Very, very rangy right now. Look at the 1 hour. Order filled was ditto at exact same time. Marv, glad you made money on that play, King. Chilling. Chilling. Just a chilling range. It's fat. And I don't like that we swept both sides of the 15 minutes. Feels very stagnant. I feel like I'm supposed to be trying to stab this long, but I hate it. Makes me want to throw up in my mouth. But I'm doing it. I'm long here. I want to see this price continue to hold this previous support spot. Want to see it continue to hold that support spot, threaten to hold the trend line, find some more bullish printing come back in this market. We already seen that they're going to be aggressive. Look at the selling volume again, but yet price is still maintaining. That's what's making me try the longs here. Again, a lot of selling pressure, but price is trying to hold. That to me is a bullish signal. We got to see if we can get a reaction out of here, though. I don't like that we're compressed below the VWAP again. Ideally, we get some strength, get up through this 50%. It's not my favorite entry, to be completely transparent. Want to see some reaction here. Lots of selling volumes trying, but price is still getting pretty still. Wait, why is it 690 bucks? Should never be 690 bucks. I didn't move that, did I? Come on, Mazdak. Get up through that trend line again. Show us some wicks. Go prove the breakout of that VWAP. I'm only trying to risk our normal 15 points here. Not trying to go crazy. Come on, NASDAQ. Give us some love. Get back through there. EMA's curling as well. I'm not really seeing any buying now after that pressure that we've seen. I think the sells are in. Fuck. Fuck, fuck, fuck. Why are we just ranging? We're going to get wicked out of this trade. We're going to get wicked out, aren't we, NASDAQ? Because that's your favorite game to play with us. Apex running discount combines, activation fee, and only 1 day to pass right now. Whoa, Timothy. Appreciate that. If y'all are not using Apex, they have a nice little deal going on right now. Higher time frames, still bearish. Thanks, Patty. I think I'm fading the bears right now. I'm getting kicked in the teeth. Bought 754. Break even on quick, though. Nasty price action for me. I agree, newbie. This is not the prettiest price action. Safe break evens are fairly easy. Quick break evens are easy right now. Apex are running some discounts, though. All right, NASDAQ. Can we get through that EMA, though? That's going to be our next obstacle here. Got to get through that EMA with a closure if we're going to actually hold. Stop break even. I think I'm going to just preserve my capital with this crap. There's nothing wrong with that either, King. After some of your range stream hours, price has been moving. After some of your rangy stream hours, price has been moving. I know, dude. As soon as I'm off the markets are actually doing the fun things. Wow. It's not looking like we're getting the reaction I wanted to see at that EMA. Looks like we're getting some suppression by the sell orders and the trend line support again. Was hoping to get a nice closure through there. It's not really seeing it, though. And now we're coming to the other side of the range after not being able to hold. Fucking bummer. I will only give Apex a try with 90% off. Don't want to rip too many evals. It's respectable. My fucking word, this market is going to make me lose my shit. This is gross. Stopped out. Me too, Ninja. Me too, Kingman. Fucking hell. Ugly. This is ugly. And if you buy the bottom of the range, we're going to fucking rip through it. Almost at my personal loss limit of $300. All right, Space. All right. You got some room, though, kid. Like, really? Really, NASDAQ? You come and stop us perfectly out? Really, NASDAQ? Bro, if it holds this bottom now, I'm going to be upset. My word. Why are you doing this shit to me, NASDAQ? Oh my fucking word. Literally just runs through to our stop to then just continue the upside. Like, are you serious? Is this a joke? Am I being, is there camera somewhere? Somebody joking with me? It seems like the second day of evals is always the hardest. It's like they know you only need a few hundred ticks or continuation and chop the shit out of you. It's just insane. Man, I love this PA. Max, I fucking hate it, bro. I am actually upset about it. I'm glad you're making monies, though. It does feel that way, doesn't it, newbie? Literally the second, I mean, what was our exit fill there? 748. 747. You can't make this shit fucking up. My exit fill was 748.25, and we came down to 747.25. You just can't make this shit up, dude. Oh, fuck. You know what I mean? Are you seeing what I'm seeing? You know what I mean? Are you seeing what I'm seeing? I'm the market maker. Come on, Maxie. Stop stopping me out like that, then. Stop doing me so filthy like that. That was very rude, sir. Mother, may I? Mother, may I? Why do I get stopped out by a point every fucking time, NASDAQ? You're going to really boil me. I have a sell fill at 788. We keep rejecting the 800s. Yeah, I don't mind that entry, Pat. I was kind of thinking about shorting this VWAP or this 50% of the range. My only problem with it is, like I mentioned before, the reason I bought these fucking longs down here and the reason I get stopped out by 1 point before it moves back to the WAP, dude. I had a feeling they could find some strength here. But it doesn't matter. This doesn't matter. Keep getting kicked. It's safe. Might not get it. You almost just did get it, King. You almost just did get it, my boy. Excuse me. Oh, NASDAQ. How I just dislike you. You stop me out by a point and then fly. You just don't like me. Gosh. Into the VWAP now. We should be in this. I'd be adding into this position. Oh, I'm gonna... I don't know how you like this, Maxie. This is annoying. Price action, buddy. I will say it's just clean moves. Bink, 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 bink. Haha, the Bollinger Bands. I like it. Perfect Bollinger Band support in resistance. Les résistance. I'm buying 3 if we tap back into this 50%. I'm buying 3 if we tap back into this 50%. I only have $1,000. This will be probably my final trade. I'm going to let us get a bigger fill here. Targeting that upside. Come get us, NASDAQ. Don't mess around. Wanting a filthy EMA. Just above the 50% of the range as well. Trying to be as tight as we can with our order because it is a 3 contract fill. Can you tap us in there, NASDAQ? Right below that EMA, or right at the EMA. Give me it. Tap us in and go. No, my word. Come on, one little touch and go. Looking for a fill to 50%. Got to give ourselves more than the 300 here. Pretty much letting the accounts try to find some support. Otherwise, we're going to get range chopped. Really hoping to see some reaction here. Come on, Nazi. Show me something. Show me show me a little bit of love. Show me a little bit of love. Don't want to be risking or just taking the 15. We'll be definitely looking for, what do I need? Technically 2,500. Blech. Blech. We need all the way up there. Caca gross. Show me something, NASDAQ. Get up through there. No wicks. Close this candle strong. No wicks. You know the rules. Damn. You know the rules, girl. Get up there. Close that out. 150 by 5 extras. Let's go. Took a little buy there. My man Maxi, top ticking the shit out of this. We ranging, bro. That's why you're getting stopped. I agree. If you buy the middle of the range, it's going to wick you out before going up. 770 by 5. I think I'm done for the day. Gotta be, Maxi. Way to lock it in, King. I'm fading you, Ty. Good luck. Good luck to you too, Patty. Let's go, King. I think it's rangy for a trade right now, but I like the longs more. A little rangy for sure. Very rangy. I just want to see the continuation through this VWAP. Possibly could find some move. If we can get through the VWAP, I'll put my break even on and just be patient. Want to find a little bit of reaction. We already found some support at the 50%. Just want to find my friends. Find these big white candles. Get up through here. Big whites. We got to get a real continuation play going on. Get up through there, NASDAQ. Otherwise, we're very much in risk still. Come on, Nazzy. Get up through there. Go to that VWAP one time for the kid. Find that support. Get up through there. No wicks. Want to find our long friends come in and support this market. Not liking the wick action below the VWAP. Just want to get a nice push. There's a nice push. Closure at the VWAP. I'm putting break even on. Can we get up there, NASDAQ? Show me the money. Show me the money, NASDAQ. Get up through there. Clear out these 800s. I tried longs but didn't like price action and got out. Happens, Dave. It's not my favorite price action either. But I don't mind it. I just want to see if we can get a hold through this VWAP. I don't want to see any closure wick like that. I want to really get a closure through here for the first time. Start finding some distance on the other end. Don't range us, NASDAQ. Don't do us so filthy like that after that volume. Come on. It will hit because I see a break of structure. Price came back in a bullish order block and respected it. I hope it works. Thank you, Boop. It means a lot, brother. Oh my fucking word. I'm in too, but I'm aiming for pre-market high or Asia high before news at 8. Come on, NASDAQ. Could come right back down. No real reason for it to go up. No real reason for it to go up. No real reason for it to stay in this range. Reason for it to go up is we're holding bullish price action. No reason for it to go stop us out like that either. That was insanity. Max. Wow. It's scary. I wouldn't say scary. It's just a little indecisive right now. She's a little undecisive. She just wants to be playing both sides. Might want to wait a bit. Might want to wait. Might want to wait. I'm just ranging. Oh my god. What was that pressure into the fucking 800s to reject it easily? Excuse me. Max is right. I mean, at this point, if you want to be safe, you could be shorting around these 800s or longing around these 750s. I don't love it, but that's kind of what the market's telling us. We're completely inside of the 15-minute range right now. Threatened to break out to both sides, but got stuck with inside of it. So we broke through the bottom, held, broke through the top, held. And now we're just ranging underneath the VWAP inside the range. I'm out, small win. Let's go, Pat. Let's go, King. Good trading. Nah, I wouldn't trade at all. Nope, 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 nope. shit is just whippy. Like the grossest price action when we're involved with the market. And afterwards, it's actually moving. It's becoming frustrating. New York session is becoming frustrating. New York open. Haven't taken a trade yet. Nice discipline, Matthew. Nice discipline, King. Wowzers. Obviously, in hindsight, it's like, should I have locked in that $1,000 there? But it's not what we were looking for. I had a break even on at the VWAP. Wanted to see a closure, and we just couldn't get it. But I'm sorry, this is gross. This here, this is gross. Be patient, bro. Yes, sir, Pat. I mean, we took a good trade there. There was nothing wrong with that trade. We just got break even. We just didn't get a good move. We got broke even. So up $1,000, you know, nothing crazy. Not every day feeds well. No, sir. That's correct. Not every day is going to put the food on our plate. Gotta recognize. Don't really have much of a range here anymore, so I'm just going to take this trend off. Very still price action. This is paradise for scalpers. Yeah, it is. Still have another try left. Yes, sir, Maxi. We're still in there. Oh my fucking God. This rangy market is agonizing. It's going to make me drink. This market is grody. All waiting for Trump's speech. Okay, Al, I didn't even know Trump was speaking today, so appreciate that. Max, how long did you say before you've been trading? 4 years? That means it's been in there. So true. On a heater scalp scaling into micros today. Let's go, P. Let's go, P-Inus. P-Inus. You can get my stream flagged for saying that. It's hilarious. Oh, what do you know? It wanted to just play some more games with us and then ends up finding some support. Just choppy. I want to learn how to scale in, but I always end up getting break even. That's what I'm working on right now too, Max. Just trying to get into bigger sizes. Obviously, you're going to get break even a lot learning the skill, but that's me too. It's annoying, but I think if we can get better at it and keep dealing with that and learn how to do it, then we'll eventually get really decent and really catch the bigger moves safely. Because I'm always interested in catching the moves, but I want to have leverage and I want to do it safely so my sizing isn't like just unsafe. Yeah. Like, how do I short this VWAP touch? I'll tell you, you fucking don't. That's what I'm feeling. I was like, how could I short this VWAP touch with high buy side up to the upside? But no, why did it have to come back down right off the VWAP? Because I know this is going to go break through here. Look at this weak buy structure. It's weak sell structure too, but the buying structure is weak. I'm up $50. Let's go, Marv. Profitable is profitable, King. Good trading. Scalping 3 micros right now and making 30 to 40 bucks back. Nice job. What a day. I know what I mean. Back and forth. Back and forth. You fucking don't, LOL. Don't what, Pat? What? Tell me why I want a long. That's why I wanted a long. Got it. Market's actually going to respond this time. Fucking hell. When are we all going to Hawaii? Caesar, you let me know, King. Next payout, I'm down. How do you short this view up? You fucking don't. Yeah, you fucking don't. You just don't, Patty. Why is the market choppy? Oh my God, it's going to make me drink. Why is this push happening after we get a fucking continuation push and then the sellers just had to do it one more time to me? I'm going to fucking lose my shit. My word, NASDAQ. Trump is going to talk soon and the market is losing its shit. I'm losing my shit, bro. We had a nice fucking long order. We get a beautiful push. It immediately rejects just to stop us out and then goes to where we'd be just about take profit. And I'd almost be done trading. Fuck. What are we doing when we go to Hawaii? I'm trying to learn how to surf first and foremost. I'm going to be messing with that. I'm going to be messing with that a little bit, no doubt. And then once I do that, try spearfishing. Yes, sir. That would be epic. A little snorkeling. Maybe, what else? I know there's some crazy hikes. I really want to do a luau there. So I do like a little cookout on the beach with like a little pig over the fire. And everyone's just, you know, sipping on some like fruity little drink and having a good time. Come on. We could have such a good time. Trumpy dumpy. Max thinks the Trumpy dump train's coming. I don't think so. I'm long. And I was trying to find longs earlier, and we would have already been done, but no. NASDAQ has a really, really good way of just fucking with you. Why did we have to come back down to the 760s there? Like, this is the grossest price action. I'm so excited. Market always dumps when he speaks. Surfing's so fun, man. Super fun. I can't wait to give it a try, Marv. I never have. What a day. What a weird day, Danny. I know. Super weird day. Just back and forth big ranges, and then we finally get the move. That one actually bothered me. Come on, pull back, NASDAQ. We're pulling back with a buy of 3. We have to. Pull back into this VWAP. Fill me, though. You little bastard. Risking the account. Risking the account. Can we get some support, NASDAQ? Sadly, 2,500 is way out more than I want to be risking, but I think the longs have a chance. I should have already been in the longs. Show me some VWAP support here, NASDAQ. You owe me a little bit something. You owe me a little bit of love after the amount of bullshit you've been giving me today. You owe me a little bit of love. No, you better not. I want to see this thing not wick out. Give me a closure here. Get back through that VWAP. I want to see the buyers responding here with this VWAP pullback. Really want to see the buyers responding with this VWAP pullback. Don't want to see any wicks here. Got to see this close. Close strong, preferably, Nazi. No, you're going to close real weak. What are you going to do to me? It's not looking super strong right now, guys, is it? Not the reaction I really wanted to see after VWAP pullback off that bullish print. Come on, get up through there. Wow, weird. The weirdest day. I swear, this is one of the weirdest days I've seen in a long time. The way price is moving right now is fucking crazy. Where's our VWAP love at? Come on, Nazi. Holy shit. Yeah, I don't know, guys. My bad. I got chopped up all day today. Every time we're in a decent spot, it's just no support the other side, and I'm just... it's not looking bueno. And then we get a weird print like that. Are you going to go back and hold the VWAP, or are we getting out of this trade? That's what you need to tell me right now, NASDAQ. Are you going to claim the VWAP, or are we getting out of this trade? Go claim the VWAP and hold. No more fucking weird wicks. This price action is insanity. Oh my goodness. Well, we are getting choppy, choppy, chopper cheese. Everything I touch turns red today. Me too, Magic. Saw a whale shark. That'd be crazy. Might have to start live streaming too. Man, I have some stories about diving. Might have to start live streaming. Maxie, you should, brother. That'd be amazing. Not a great entry, Ty. Ow. Manage carefully. I agree, Pat. We were hoping to see some reaction. Now we're just getting murdered. I know as soon as I get stopped out of this trade, which is going to be fucking now, it's going to fly right up. Stop us out like it has been all day long. This is criminal right now. Stop playing. NQ, give the BBW for the kid. Give me those white candles. One time. The amount of bullshit today has been crazy. It's going to flash me. I don't even want to say it and talk it into existence, but I got a bad feeling what's about to happen right now, you guys. And I bet you guys could predict it based off of today. Are you trading the NASDAQ? Yes, sir, PJ. NASDAQ NQ. Our baby. It's a love-hate relationship with this girl. She's horribly great, if you know what I'm saying. Not loving that we're compressed below the VWAP here again, you guys. Like, oh my word, NASDAQ. You're going to do me so wrong, and I can feel it. I'm out. I'm out for the shorts. I out from the shorts. Nice job, Amin. My fucking God, guys. I'm triggered. She likes a Latin, bro. Best loving you'll ever get. Then she stabs you. LOL. Ask me how I know. Holy shit, Pat. I hope you don't know that. That's hilarious, King. Reverse? Yeah, that would have been a good time to reverse, T-Nads. Brush it off, bro. I don't know. I'm really annoyed right now. Holy fuck, am I annoyed right now. What is this mess? Jesus fucking Christ, man. Find some continuation. This is gross. Literally still within the 15-minute range after sweeping outside both times. Finding nothing. Like... Taking good trades isn't about being undisciplined. I agree. It's got to be a priority, but taking decent trades isn't necessarily a sign of... We should have a game or something to play on stream while market's choppy like this. It's a good idea, Pat. Get a little something else because I'm going to literally lose my shit if we have to do this again or something like this again. This is the worst fucking shit. I can't even. 70-point range. Go up. Threaten the bottom of the range. Find incredible selling pressure. Market responds all the way back to the top of the 15-minute. We literally, in one fucking push to the bottom of the range, find the buying to push to the top of the range. What? And then push right back down to the bottom, and then push right back to the top, and now we're just fucking stuck in a big range. Jay called it earlier. Big range. I've seen other streamers do that. Will keep us from taking bad setups. It's a really good idea, Pat. W for that, King. I'll look into that for us. I appreciate that advice, sir. I'm not a continuation day. It's just a reversing. You just got to just buy at the bottoms and sell at the tops. That's it, Space. Even though they're not even clear levels right now. Like, we're fucking fluctuating. Like, it's just gross, man. You know you're profitable. Market conditions just aren't conducive. Don't let it ruin your day. You'll bounce back. Newbie, you're the man, brother. Very true, King. Very true. It's not going to hold me down for long, but it's definitely going to upset me for the next couple hours, because what the fuck is this grossness? Big ass range. Jay knew early. Awful price action. Hard to control the emotions. Up, down, up, down. What a job. Yeah, it is hard to control them, Danny. Letting them out a little bit more than I normally do. Letting them out a little bit more than I want to. Just mad fucking annoying. Like, ew. And then, oh, maybe. And then, ew. And then, oh, maybe. Like, please sell. Someone please short this fucking VWAP for me. Sell. Fuck. Fake trader practice accounts. Just V after V. Yeah, I mean, there's nothing here. There's nothing here, Danny. It's just this cucka. Oh, look, our VWAP sell. Beautiful. How y'all doing today, King? What's up, Corey? Welcome in, brother, man. Honestly, dude, you can see the damage. We're halfway, almost past these things, and then didn't. Got absolutely killed by this chop, dude. Or continuation traders, and this fake ranges where we hold VWAP and then push through VWAP and then reject and then go and then push through again and then reject. Like, nah, dude. It's been a tough day for us, Corey. Hope you're having a good day though, brother, man. Do you look at higher time frames? Vonk Summer. Sorry about that. Excuse me. 5-minute time frame would have helped, bro. 1/5/15/30. I don't typically. I think they all have decent information depending on the day. I think the day changes. Like, look at the 5, yeah. I don't think that's any more. This is any more clear, buddy. This is gross too. It's NASDAQ. That's a terrible 5-minute chart, my boy. That is fucking hideous. So we got chopped up in the hideousness. Yeah, I don't know. I do gotta maybe consider some higher time frames. Dang, range bound, chop fest. Doing already today. Thanks, boss. That's what I like to hear, King. No problem. Good trading. In and out, quick scalps. Sell the tops, buy the bottoms, get out quick. The 5 is still chopping. 30 is bearish, but no continuation. Terrible day today. It is a gross day. Fuck. Just a little frustrating because now, best case, I can't pass these accounts. So I have to start over for October. And the reason that's ass is because now I'm going to potentially run out of accounts. But we'll see. I'm not going to. We're going to keep these accounts going. Trade gold. It's the best for me. Vonk, I appreciate that. A lot of people like gold. I haven't messed with it much, but I know a lot of people. Yeah, look at the... I know it's nice when it moves, and it just doesn't ever stop in that direction. So, respect. I know people are good at it. Do you trade afternoons? Not yet, Jay. I still have a job. Even though I am being told from lots of people to stop doing that. But I currently still have a job, and that stops me from trading later on in the days. So I just trade this morning, markets, 9:30 to 11. This is making me sad. This is making me very sad. Gross. This is gross. Do you use Fibonacci's? I have not messed with the Fibonacci's yet. The fibs, the fib levels. I know some people find quite a bit of success with them, Ninja. I just think it's a little bit, I don't know, just more information, more things. I like to simplify trading as much as you can. I think the more simple you can make something, the more better you have it making it successful, especially over the long period of time. My goal, Ty, would be one more max payout before the end of the year. Pat, I love that, King. I think that is exactly the goal I got. My goal is to hit, truthfully, not to be greedy, but I want to hit 2 more. I want to hit another double max before the end of the year. Hopefully can keep those same accounts going and maybe bring them in live before end of the 2026 is my real goal. My real goal is to get a nice set of accounts going, obviously 2 max payouts, and then keep crushing. Yeah, I was thinking 2. Fuck yeah, Pat. And then obviously you can just keep going, so then try to bring it live into 2026 is my real goal. I know a dude making multiple bands a day using fibs on gold, and it's insane. Multiple bands a day using fibs on gold. See, I just don't even know how to read that. I don't even have fibs on here? Oh, wait. Is it through the... It's right here. Is it or is it right here? Yeah, fib retracement. It's like this. Yeah, I have no idea. I respect people that find strategies that are consistent for them. It's like, that's the thing I love about trading, is there's really not one way to do it. There's so many different ways people can make money. Yeah, I was thinking too. Before you go live, you can request a full payout. Yep. Or no, not necessarily full payout, Bonk. 3 more. Yeah, that's the goal, Timothy. I want 3 at least. Got to stop trading chop and markets risk tighter to go live sooner. Got to stop trading chop and manage risk tighter to go live sooner. You're right, Pat. Trading, you're right. Max allocation on Topstep live. Maxi, that's our live man. That's the goal, LOL. That is literally my goal. Get max allocated and go, and they make you reset. So Vonk Summer, so you can get 5 payouts. So on my 5th payout, this is the best case scenario for Topstep. You trade, you bring 5 accounts to like 35,000. Well, technically, if you're trading 150K accounts, yeah, and here's the fucking push. Gosh. Anyways, you're trading 150K accounts. You bring them up to 10 grand, take a max payout, 10 grand, max payout, 10 grand, max payout. You do that 5 times. And on your final time, this is what I expected to be on this push. To be completely transparent with you guys. I really expected this. Once we pulled up through, found a retracement back at the 50%, and then pushed through again, I thought this was coming here. But we lost, and it happened earlier. But, so yeah, you get those 5 payouts. And then on your final attempt, you bring them up to 35,000. And then when they take out when they move you to live, they take out another payout. So that 35 would go down to 30. And then you'd be moved with 5, or you take the 30,000 and the 5 remaining accounts, put it all into one account, and then you'd have a 150K live account. And that's kind of the most you can do. Yes, live before 2026 is a great goal. That's it, Corey. That's what I'm aiming for. I tried it myself, but gold is tough. Gold, I'm interested. I'd be interested to play with it. Bro, I'd be trading minis with gold, and I get quick scalps and make like $700 and $900. Is it really that fast? Your settings on the fib are way off. Yeah, Pat, I'd have to mess with those a little bit. That's why I noticed those too. As soon as I size up, it pushes. Laugh my ass off. Hell yeah. Damn, you would have passed with that push. That's your TP. I know, Max. I know, King. I know. But instead, it had to do us so filthy first. It just had to do us the filthiest that it could do us. Gold is fucking insane. But yeah, I might have to mess with it with space. I like that it moves clear. This does not happen in gold. Okay, so I like that. That to me is enticing. It at least goes. And then if you're wrong, you're wrong. You're right, you're right. But when it goes, it goes. This is fucking hideous. It's hideous. But we did get the push. NASDAQ's finally starting to find some higher prices. If you guys have not found a trade yet, be careful. It's looking very rangy. Longs are starting to find a little bit of their direction, but yeah, my gosh. We just waited. It waited all morning before it really wanted to move. Push is opposite my direction, by the way. as soon as you size in with some size. That sounds about right. That sounds about right, Marvin. Can I still withdraw all my money after 30 winning days in XFAs? Yeah. Well, you won't get 30 winning days in an XFA. They'll move you to live before that. They move you to live before that, and then in there you get reset now. So technically it used to like continue. So if you had like 22 winning days with an XFA, you only needed 8 in your live to get your max payout. But now they reset. So if you do get to live and whatever your balance is, so if you move to live with a max pay, with a max allocated 150, you still have to get another 30 trading days before you can pull out all that. So they kind of changed it a little bit. Watch it reverse, LOL. I'm not taking payouts. You're not taking payouts? I think you should pay yourself, King. I think you should pay yourself. I think it's a good habit. Just a little bit of reward. Show yourself that it's real. But whatever works for you, brother, man. Oh, I'm so upset with this NASDAQ today. Choppy, Chopperton, and Cheese kicking us out of our fucking move. God. What is the max loss for a live? On a 50K account, it's $1,000. On a 150, it is $3,000, and it can be adjusted if you build up enough capital. You can adjust a little bit, but they don't always listen. At least something. No, I don't want to hit 5. No, I don't want to hit 5 before 30 days. Laugh my ass off. All right, I see. I mean, okay, newbie. I like it. I do. All right, you guys. I know we were mad close to 800 subscribers. It would mean a lot if we could get that done today, even after, you know, the shitty price action that the NASDAQ displayed and busting these accounts. I promise we're going to come back steaming. Next time we get some good accounts rolling, oh, the payouts are going to be cooking. Looking forward to it. But for now, we wait. And we continue to just do the things that matter. Get the mindset correct. Get the discipline going. Bro, traded gold this week. Promise is better. I might give it a try, Vonk. I really might. I just feel like I'm going to be behind. Like I have so much more to learn on it since I haven't done it. I just feel like I don't want to start back on square one, but I don't know. If you blow alive, you can just go back to combines. Yes, sir, Marv. Right after that, you go right back. But knowing that, I guess I'll request today. Request that payout, King. Take your money. Lock that shit. Pay yourself. Promise it's better. Does the live give daily payouts? And is that better than 5 XFAs and blowing on the 4th payout? The live doesn't give daily payouts. No. But it is still better than blowing 5 XFAs. Or yeah, I mean it's a good question, and just kind of both, honestly. Drops the likes. Pass today on that last pump effort. Ready to trade funded tomorrow. Ready for you to trade funded too, Dave. Congratulations, King. Everybody drop a W for Dave. Man's been trading well. He's always in here being disciplined, keeping the mindset right, not over trading. Really good trading, Dave. Gold price action is stupid clean. I know, Pat. It is. It's so one-sided. It's not this. It's not doing this, that's for sure. Great work. Yes, sir. Great work, Dave. Good job, King. Yesterday was obvious crap action. It was. And today, honestly, similar. But I'm glad you made it out alive, King. But seriously, guys, like I said, mad close to that 800 subs. If we could get there, that would mean a lot, even though today did not go our way. But outside of that, hit the like button if you guys haven't. Subscribe if you're not. Join the comment section every day. You guys are really doing your disservice if you just watch and don't tag along in the conversation. We're all learning and getting better together. Today was hard, honestly. Blowing up today was more predictable than yesterday. Today was hard, Dave. But I appreciate you guys so much for being here. Thanks for spending the morning. Thanks for trying to get better at trading as a group. And enjoy the rest of your day. Drink some sun. Get some water. Hug somebody you love. Get that mindset right. And we're going to come back tomorrow and smash the week. We got a lot of economic events still to end the week. Red folders to go throughout the rest of the week. Lots of volatility. So let's do our best. I appreciate you guys. Much love. Take care. Peace.